Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve wealth accumulation with Principal Financial, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve wealth accumulation with Principal Financial, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant documents, such as income statements, expenses, and debt information. Identify your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Consider what you would like to achieve in the next 5, 10, and 20 years. Next, create a personalized financial plan tailored to your specific goals. Consult Principal Financial's online resources and tools for insights and strategies. Evaluate the various investment options they provide, including mutual funds and ETFs. Determine your risk tolerance to select suitable investment vehicles. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Once your foundation is strong, begin contributing to a retirement account. Explore the advantages of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s. Review Principal Financial's retirement planning tools to guide your contributions. Monitor your investment portfolio regularly to ensure alignment with your goals. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Consider professional advice if managing investments feels overwhelming. Principal Financial offers access to financial advisors for personalized guidance. Stay informed on market trends and economic factors that may impact your wealth. Educate yourself continually on personal finance topics for better decision-making. Establish a habit of saving a percentage of your income consistently. Aim for at least 15% of your gross income if possible. Make use of automated savings options to simplify the process. Regularly assess your progress to see if you are on track. Adjust your financial plan as necessary based on life changes or financial goals. Lastly, celebrate your financial milestones, no matter how small. This will keep you motivated on your wealth accumulation journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.